Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hey guys, welcome to the channel this morning. Today we'll be servicing Uncle Eric's 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer, all in filter change. It's only on about 30,000 Ks, so very tidy condition. Let's get into it. Just pouring in the new oil. Beauty. Alright, so now we've got the correct level set. We're going to start it up so it can pump the oil through the new filter, and then we'll recheck the oil level, make sure it's on the full mark. And that is the oil change service complete on Uncle Eric's 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer. Catch you next time.